Hello, to start off I just want to go over the project structure. I have my project under the final project under my wdd231 folder. I have an assets with the data folder, an images folder, scripts, styles, and then just my HTML, CSS. I can show really quick that I do have everything set up as modules, so nav.js and stats.js are both modules, and I'm using them in pretty much, well, two places. In the home.js, I'm using both. I'm importing them, and then I'm using them in the nav one and the search feedback and the thank.js. And just to show the example of the home page, I have it down here as a type module. All right, so I'm going to bring up the app now. So this is a rating guide app. The idea would be to see just basically the ratings of movies. Ratings meaning how people have rated them, but then also the actual rating for the movie. So like what if it's rated R, PG-13, that and such. And then also having a parent's guide, so that way parents can see if they want to allow their kid to watch a movie based off of its content. So you get to the home page. From here, you're going to be greeted with a top 15. This is just the top 15 searched. Right now, this is coming from a JSON file, and then it's being updated with local storage, which I have open up here right now. There's two things. There's movies and TV shows, and each item has a title and a count. So I'll demonstrate how you can basically change this. So if you look at The Dark Knight right now, it's at 45 searches. It is in first, even though they're tied right now. But if I wanted to show like what would happen if I search Game of Thrones again, for example, I'll come to the search page. It brings up the last watch. I forgot this one's a little bit different because I searched movie. That's my fault. But this is a good example. So there's a movie and TV show. So because I searched movie, it brought up Game of Thrones The Last Watch, which is unrelated to the TV show. But if I go to the TV show and search Game of Thrones now, it will bring up the actual TV show here. If we look over in the local storage, you'll see that now it's count is set to 46. If we go back to the home page here, it's been updated, so it's 46 now. So it does have more searches than The Dark Knight, so now it's the most searched. The search page can be accessed in 3 different ways, as you saw by searching in the search bar here, clicking on this start searching, or clicking on the search in the tab bar, the nav bar itself. I have a feedback page as well, so you can go give some feedback. Just adding some kind of dummy stuff here just to show what it does. You can rate the app. And then when you hit submit feedback, it brings up a modal. Here you can say if you want to subscribe to the newsletter or not. I'll just say yes for fun. And then it brings you to the form action page. It shows what the user submitted. And then I can go back home from here. And I'll show now what it looks like on a smaller screen for like a phone, for example. Everything has been put down into a one tile view. So it's a bunch of, everything's been taken and set to its own row. And then whenever you click the nav bar here, it brings up, or the hamburger brings up the nav bar. I can go to search, I can go to feedback, I can go home. I'll just demonstrate searching something really quick. So search Van Helsing as a movie. Takes a second, it brings it up, shows the name, the actual poster for it, and then the rating. And then like this is what I was talking about with the parents guide. They can see what is all in the movie. This is all kind of user rated. So parents can see what other parents have rated the movie as, and they can decide based on that if they want to allow their child to watch the movie or not. Well, I think I've hit all the points. Thanks.